Welcome to this meditation practice. Find a comfortable position, either sitting or lying down, allowing your body to settle into a posture that feels both alert and relaxed. You may close your eyes if that feels comfortable, or maintain a soft, downward gaze. Let's begin by taking 3 deep, intentional breaths together. Breathing in slowly through your nose for 4 counts. 1, 2, 3, 4. And releasing that breath through your mouth for 6 counts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Again, breathing in for 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And out for 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now allow your breathing to return to its natural rhythm, not forcing or controlling it in any way. Simply let your body breathe itself. Today, we'll be practicing RAIN, RAIN, a powerful method of self-compassion developed by meditation teacher Tara Brach. RAIN stands for recognize what is happening. Allow the experience to be there just as it is. Investigate with interest and care, and nurture with self-compassion. This practice helps us meet difficult emotions and experiences with the same kindness we would offer a dear friend. Let's begin with the R of RAIN. Recognize what is happening. Bring to mind a situation that's been causing you stress or difficulty. Nothing overwhelming, just something that's been weighing on you. As you hold this situation in your awareness, simply recognize what's happening in this moment. What emotions are present? Perhaps anxiety, sadness, anger, or fear. Whatever is here, just gently name it. I see you, anxiety. I recognize you, sadness. There's no need to fix or change anything. Just witness what's happening with honest clarity. Notice where these emotions live in your body. Perhaps there's tightness in your chest, tension in your shoulders, or a knot in your stomach. Simply recognize these physical sensations as they are happening right now. Now we move to A. Allow the experience to be there just as it is. Take a gentle breath in for 4 counts. 1, 2, 3, 4. And release for 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. With this exhale, soften any resistance you might be holding. The allowing isn't about liking what's present or wanting it to stay. It's simply acknowledging that in this moment, this experience is here. You might silently say to yourself, "It's okay that this is here right now. I can let this be, just as it is." Feel your body soften around these difficult feelings, like you're making space for them to exist without pushing them away or holding them too tightly. Allow your experience to unfold naturally, just as it is. Now we come to I, investigate with interest and care. This is where we bring gentle curiosity to our experience, like a scientist of our own inner world, but with warmth and care. What does this emotion feel like in your body? Is it sharp or dull, moving or still, heavy or light? Investigate with genuine interest. What is this experience trying to tell me? What does this part of me believe? What does it most need right now? Approach these questions with the same care you would bring to understanding a dear friend's struggle. Notice any stories your mind is telling about this situation. Are there familiar patterns or old beliefs arising? Investigate these with gentle interest, without judgment, simply noting what you discover. Take a deep breath in for 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, and out for 6, continuing to investigate with care. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Finally, we come to N. Nurture with self-compassion. This is the active practice of offering ourselves kindness. Place your hand on your heart if that feels comfortable, feeling the warmth and gentle pressure of your own touch. This simple gesture signals safety and care to your nervous system. Ask yourself, what do I need to hear right now? What would I say to someone I love who is experiencing this? Now offer these same words to yourself. Perhaps something like, "This is hard, and it's okay that it's hard. You're doing the best you can. I'm here with you." Breathe in self-compassion and slowly breathe out self-compassion. Nurture yourself with the same tenderness you would offer a small child or beloved pet. You might imagine a warm, golden light of compassion surrounding you, holding you in unconditional love and acceptance. After the rain, rest in the natural awareness that emerges. This is the spacious, peaceful presence that appears when we've moved through the 4 steps. There's nothing to do now, nothing to fix. Simply rest in this open awareness, feeling the shift that's occurred from practicing RAIN. Notice how the difficult emotion may have softened or transformed. Even if it's still present, your relationship to it has changed. You're no longer fighting or fused with it. You're simply aware, present, and compassionate. Let's take 3 more breaths together, integrating this practice. Breathing in for 4, drawing in peace and clarity. 1, 2, 3, 4. Breathing out for 6, releasing any remaining tension. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. In for 4, receiving self-compassion. 1, 2, 3, 4. Out for 6, offering nurturing kindness to all parts of yourself. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. One final breath in for 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, and out for 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. As we complete this practice, remember that RAIN, rain, is always available to you. Whenever you encounter difficulty, you can recognize what is happening. Allow the experience to be there. Investigate with interest and care, and nurture with self-compassion. This is your pathway to healing and inner peace. When you're ready, gently wiggle your fingers and toes, bringing gentle movement back to your body. If your eyes have been closed, you can slowly open them, returning your gaze to the space around you. Thank you for taking this time to cultivate self-compassion and mindfulness. May you carry this sense of kindness and clarity with you throughout your day.